it's Ray here, and today we're going to be showing you a few mods that I made for my homemade tractor cab. First install is these lights up here, these work lamps. Fortunately, Kubota has a little wire coming back on the left rear fender that you can just plug into, and that's what I did. And I bolted the lights at the top of the cab, and on the inside of the cab I put a switch so I can turn them off and turn them on. Show you in the back. Now we have lights. Yahoo! I do 10 driveways or so in the neighborhood. A lot of times you got to get out early in the morning, and I was trying to do it without lights, and around here it's very dark. There's no street lights or nothing. That's going to be a nice addition to the tractor, because not seeing and blowing snow, it's not any fun at all, for sure. The third install is this mirror on the inside of the cab on the ceiling, and it shines back right down to the blower. Now what this mirror is going to do is I can quickly look and see if my mascara is running. Well, no, not really, but it'll just give me a break. I can use the mirror to back up when I'm blowing snow, and I think it'll be a great addition. Chinese heater. It's on the inside of the glass, of course, and that thing will heat that cab up so warm it'll probably throw me out. I haven't finished doing the install yet. I have a 4-inch heat pipe coming off that, so I'm going to route the heat pipe up here, up by the window, and across with holes in it so that it'll defrost the window. This thing runs on diesel, yes, but it still needs electricity off a battery. So I got the wires there, and the wires are going to go down to the battery in the tractor with an inline fuse, and that'll run that diesel heater, and it should keep that tractor really warm. And when the sun is out and it's shining, that keeps you pretty warm. And then you're out of the wind and you're out of the blowing snow. That's the main thing. But I'll be interested in seeing how this diesel heater works out. And I'm pretty sure that's going to heat that cab up really, really hot. And one of the questions I have in my mind is, if I'm driving up the road in my Speedo, is that illegal? Everybody knows that it's a pain lifting up the jugs to fill the tractor up. So I bought this thing here, and it just hooks to in the container. It's a pretty simple apparatus. It's not electric, it's just siphon, and it works good. It works really good as long as the diesel jugs are above the hood of the tractor where I put the fuel in. So I have built a little cabinet here, and I just have the jugs stacked up here, and I put the siphon hose into the jug, and so it's much easier. I just park the tractor here and I fill it up, and it's so much easier. The siphon that I got was just out of a Canadian Tire. I think it was $70 here in Canada, and so it works really good, and it fills up just as quick as if I tipped the jug up, held the jug there, get diesel on me and all that stuff. So I just drive the tractor in and put the hose in, and away I go. And it's a great addition, really. And I'm getting old, got a bad shoulder because I fell down the stairs, and picking the jug up and holding it, it gets heavy by the time it's empty. So anyway, that's what I did there. And on a side note, if anybody wants to come and help me clean up this garage, welcome to it. Like this video, for God's sakes, subscribe and click the like button. I'll be rich in no time. I won't have to be doing this stuff.